Hey there, tech enthusiasts and audiophiles. Welcome back to our channel. To the grand finale of the ultimate noise-canceling showdown. Today, we're unveiling the winner between two titans, the Sony WH-1000XM5 and the Apple AirPods Max. It's time to cut through the noise and declare the true champion of auditory excellence. Without further ado, let's dive into the verdict you've all been waiting for. Check all the product links in the comment box. Round 1: The Noise-Canceling Champ. In the world of silence domination, Sony's WH-1000XM5 emerges as the heavyweight contender. With two processors orchestrating an ensemble of 8 microphones, it effortlessly silences the world around you, whisking you away to your personal audio paradise. The AirPods Max from Apple, while impressive, faces a tough opponent in Sony's sophisticated noise-canceling technology. Round 1 goes to Sony. Round 2: The Sonic Savior. When it comes to delivering an audio masterpiece, both headphones shine. But the Sony WH-1000XM5 takes a step ahead. Engineered with precision using the integrated processor V1, its audio quality stands as a testament to Sony's commitment to sonic excellence. Apple's AirPods Max, armed with computational audio, offers a unique listening experience. But Sony's engineering marvel triumphs in this round. Sony steals the spotlight once again. Round 2 goes to Sony. Round 3: Comfort and Tech Innovation. In the realm of comfort, both contenders offer a luxurious experience. But the Apple AirPods Max's knit mesh canopy and memory foam cushions set a new standard for comfort in over-ear headphones. Additionally, Apple's technological wizardry, including the digital crown and spatial audio, adds an intriguing layer to the listening experience. This round swings in favor of Apple's innovation and comfort mastery. Round 4: Battery life and connectivity. Battery life and connectivity, the lifelines of prolonged audio indulgence, are crucial factors. Sony's WH-1000XM5 showcases an impressive 30-hour battery life, complemented by quick charging. On the other hand, Apple's AirPods Max offers 20 hours of listening time. A bit shorter but still substantial, and the inclusion of spatial audio is a delightful bonus. Considering the balance of battery and features, Sony takes this round. Round 5: The Elegant and Durability. Diving into aesthetics and durability. The AirPods Max's sleek design and knit mesh canopy offer an exquisite visual and tactile experience. Meanwhile, Sony's WH-1000XM5 embraces an understated elegance and lightweight design, catering to those who prioritize comfort during extended listening sessions. However, the Sony WH-1000XM5 reclaims the spotlight with its redesigned case, offering effortless portability and protection. It's a tight competition, but Sony's practicality nudges it ahead in this aspect. The final verdict. Ladies and gentlemen, after an intense battle, it's time to crown the victor. While both the Sony WH-1000XM5 and the Apple AirPods Max are exceptional, it's clear that the Sony WH-1000XM5 emerges as the superior choice. With industry-leading noise cancellation, exquisite audio quality, and a blend of comfort and tech innovation, it clinches the title of the ultimate noise-canceling headphone. Now, in conclusion, there you have it, fellow audiophiles. The Sony WH-1000XM5 shines as the undisputed champion, providing a symphony of features that redefine your auditory experience. While both headphones are remarkable, the Sony WH-1000XM5 takes the crown as the best noise-canceling headphone. Until our next audio adventure, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the world of exceptional sound. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and share the love with fellow tech-savvy enthusiasts. This is Electro Tech Insider, signing off for now. Rock on and stay tuned for more tech-tastic adventures.